How to withdraw money from Trust Wallet to bank account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now unfortunately there's no direct way for us to transfer or withdraw money from Trust Wallet to bank account, but we're going to do an alternative or a method here, which is transferring it first to crypto.com, which will allow us to withdraw to a bank account. So we're going to open our crypto.com over here, as you can see, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on accounts, and you're going to select here crypto. Click on crypto and click on the specific coin that you have. So let's say I have Chronos over here, just an example, and click on transfer and click on deposit. After that, we should be able to receive our withdrawal account over here or withdrawal address. So give it a moment. There we go. Select a network. Then simply copy the URL or the address over here, wallet address, and you're going to go to your Trust Wallet. After here or in here, you're going to simply send your specific cryptocurrency and utilize the address that we have copied earlier. After doing that, you should be able to successfully transfer from Trust Wallet to crypto.com. Now, in our crypto.com, what you're going to do is you're going to sell that specific currency or that specific token that you have received. So let's say we're going to use our Chronos as an example right now again. And you're going to simply click on the sell option. Now I can't open the UI for the sell, but if I click on buy over here, it's going to have the same appearance. So you're just going to simply enter how much you want to sell, and you're going to put it under the USD account. So I have a USD account here which will allow me to convert my crypto into US dollars. And the USD account, how do you get that? You're simply going to go to your accounts over here, and there should be an option under cash over here to create a USD account. And over here, if you click on USD account, you're first going to make a small deposit, doesn't matter how much, to establish a connection between your crypto.com and your bank account. After that, simply click on withdraw, and you should be able to withdraw your money or your crypto from Trust Wallet inside of this. The reason why I said you should deposit first so that you could establish a connection, because as you can see, there's no option available for me. But once you deposit a small amount, it should establish the connection and it will be available for you to withdraw as well. So it's a bit of a long process. There's a lot of jumps, but nonetheless, that is how you will be able to withdraw money from Trust Wallet. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.